Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got a box from... This one comes from a company called Noodles, accompanied by happiness. Happy Noodles. Cool. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, wow. So often companies will just all of a sudden, I'll look in my email and there'll be a company saying, hey, I'm this person with this company and I've got some noodles I'd like to send you to try. And often I'll ask if they want to do a meet the manufacturer, like with these guys. And yeah, they send samples, ask a few questions, and bada bing, bada boom, we get to try some neat new stuff. What do we have here? Look, it's a shirt. Let's try it on and see if it fits. Cool, it does. It's very nice. Thank you. These are really interesting. They're very light. This is like the lightest shirt I've ever put on, which is nice because it's summer. Well, what do we have here? So what I always do is I ask companies, hey, I'm doing I do a video for every review. That's instant noodle recipe time. If you've got a hat or a shirt you want to send along, I can wear it during the episode that has your logo and stuff on it, right? Well, they sent a shirt, and they also sent a hat, and this looks like that's their company name on the back, and they check it out. I've never had a Ramen Raider hat. I mean, I've got this one that says the Ramen Raider on the bottom, but this is cool. I'm gonna try this on. Huh? Pretty cool. Right on. Well, thank you very much. You didn't have to do that. I think that's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on the side so you can see their logo. And they also, of course, sent some noodles. I also want to mention they sent a name card. Check out the name of their company, Philosophy of Tongue. Awesome. So we got 4 varieties here. This first one is a sesame paste dry noodle. Next up, we've got some pepper sesame dry noodle. That sounds good. This one's pretty striking, I gotta say. This one is a red sesame paste variety. I've never heard of that, so I'm very curious, and this will be a dry noodle as well. And finally, we've got one in their original flavor. Well, wow, thank you very much. I gotta say, I really like the packaging on these. It's very striking, and the flavors sound right up my alley. So yeah, thank you very much for the hat and the shirts. And hey, you'll be seeing these being reviewed soon. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Have a good one. Bye.